Good morning, guys! Another day here in Sapa, and today we're gonna have breakfast. Fancy pan tour tayo ngayon, and breakfast muna tayo kasi na-miss natin yung breakfast kahapon. Try natin yung breakfast nila dito. That's our accommodation. Or that's our room. Napaka-cute naman. Look, Michelle. Guys, kita lang. Dito na ata. Very, ano yung kape nila, very thick. Hilig pa kayo. Yan na lang. Very strong.
Yung sweetness.
Yeah, tama lang. Tingnan niyo sa Michelle. Michelle. Bingi na. Yan, baka ilang saging lemon juice. Nag-aantay na lang kami sa aming ride, guys. Nag-double layering tayo kasi umuulan. And itong Kathmandu natin na puffer jacket, wala kasi siyang hoodie. Pinabili natin na jacket na may hoodie, na thin lang naman yun. So, siya yung una kong sinuot. And then the puffer one. Diba? Extra warm tayo.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many, and the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
We are here, guys, at ang dami namang tao. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh. Pa-cable car yan sila, naka-line.
Apel mag-tour si Chelsea.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Video only.
This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon at the far.
Sumusulong na po kami sa baha. Super foggy pa rin. Wala naman tayo masyado makita. Yeah. Kaya pa, girl? Tingnan yung glasses natin, guys. Umuulan! Dito muna tayo at mag-rest.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Mag-try tayo dyan. Ano tayo? Ano ang gagawin? Let's go, Day.
Punta tayo naman tayo dyan.
Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Michelle lost 25 pounds in this journey. Congratulations, girl. Job well done.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Kain muna tayo, guys. Look at us. Ang basa namin.
Ang suot naman kay Biho.
Biho na ulit sa ano? Struggle is real, guys.
Kanina yung chili sauce ka na.
Ang hirap dito talaga if ever the weather is really bad. Super struggle. Especially slippery yung mga stairs. Tapos ang daming stairs. Lalo na if masakit na yung tuhod niyo.
Ba't tabewang?
I can't wait to go home. Tapos mag-hot tub tayo. Feeling ko, sabi ko nga kay Michelle, feeling ko magkakasakit tayo nito. Ulan. Hopefully na. Ito ko nakakaon ng chicken. Puro breadcrumbs. Hindi na kitang bilang chicken.
Meow, 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 meow.
We are back.
Say.
Tayo guys. Hinahanap ni Michelle na ice na kape. Walang ice na kape. But this is eggs coffee. Sarap na. Try to ask them if we have ice.
Yan, measure. Pagmali daw.
Gusto ko lang naman uminom ng kape. Kanila, bang gamay kasi sabdalan ba? Pas kasi labinagan. May disgrasya doon sa sa unahan. Tapos yung may kasalanan yung sedan day, no? Siya yung galit na galit. Hindi kami marunong mag-Vietnamese. Witness sana kami. Tingnan dito. You lied to me. Hindi na lang kaintindihan ni Michelle yung nagtitinda dito. Akala ni Michelle na may ice.
Pero she gave it to us cold, really hot.
No?
Pero why ice?
You lied to me. Tingnan dito.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open on the
Dinner time, guys. Look at what we're having. Stewed chicken in a pumpkin.
Black chicken.
Yeah, black chicken pa yan. Tapos ito, mga innards. Tingnan nyo, blood. Iwan ko ba si Michelle nag-order niyan. Then some steamed pork.
And pork, local pork.
Sige.
Local chicken, local pork.
Okay.
They have a name for it.
What is it? Anyway, mag-ano tayo?
And certain will
I'm just
be-
having mango tea at saka lychee tea naman kay Michelle. Kain. We're just waiting for the rice. There's a lot of food. So, black chicken.
It's like dinuguan. Ang sud niya. Very.
Ah, this one?
And then patis.
Guys, balik na tayo sa accommodation. Ah! Meron tayong nabili. Mais! Salamat, Kuys! At meron kaming mais!
Yes!
Mais! Ang bango-bango! Sarap!
Me. White corn muna. Yung yellow.
Nag-take away din kami ng pagkain namin kanina kasi madami, hindi namin naubos. Today, guys, nakakapagod talaga siya. Alam niyo naman yung struggle namin. Hindi, nagkaon ako dahil. Mag-watch tayo ng Filipino movie ngayon. Guys, alam niyo ba, may tripping. Si Michelle talaga ang may kasalanan nito nung...
In loving memory of si.
Sabi, gusto niya magpa-picture. Sabi, ayoko magpa-picture.
You didn't need to.
Ha, sabi ni Kuya, gipush ko ni mo. Tapos, what happened? Tapos, alam niyo ba guys, after nung, kalkag akong hair. Alam niyo ba guys, after namin mapapicture, yun na, sabi ni Kuya, punta kayo sa baba, kunin yung picture niyo. Sabi ko, bakit naka-frame? Ano ba yan? Uy, naka-frame talaga.
Nice soft copy,
Nice soft copy pag yun?
Yeah.
Nakakatawa, guys. Wala tayong magagawa. Pero yung stairs talaga na nilakad namin kanina, yun talaga yung nakapag-drain sa akin na, hala, ang hangin-hangin, umuulan pa, tapos pa-uphill pa. Pero it was a good experience pa rin. Hi, Si! Ha, kasi si oy. Paano ba ano? I wish mas maitim pa to eh. Dahil dugay baka ni mahilis. We are alive. Hi, nako guys. Hindi ko na chika sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari today. But anyway, kape muna tayo before mag-chika. Look, kape. Egg coffee. Tapos sa akin naman ay salted coffee. Guys, our chika is napakalungkot kasi yung weather talaga, hindi talaga nag-cooperate. So, supposed to be, nakaplano na yung aming tour today. Meron na din kaming tour guide sana. Pero unfortunately, umuulan talaga. 70% rain mostly today. So, hindi talaga siya na-push through. And alam nyo naman, very famous dito yung Glass Bridge na super excited akong puntahan pero wala. Tapos yung ano din, Alpine Coaster, hindi din namin nagawa. Oh, yung Cat Village din, tsaka Moana. Yun sana yung plano namin today, pero ang pangit ng weather. Hindi talaga siya nag-cooperate. Sayang na sayang kasi andito na tayo. Pero Wala eh. Nung pagpunta nga natin sa Fancy Pan Tour, maganda naman siya. Pero yun nga, basang-basa kami no. To the point na sabi ko baka magkasakit pa tayo dito. Pero nakabayad na kasi kami ng mga tickets and all. So pinush through na talaga natin. Pero ngayon kasi, ayang nasayang. Yung Glass Bridge talaga yung favorite kong puntahan sana dito. Pero wala guys. We have to cancel it kasi wala lang din kami makikita. Medyo risky pa siya at saka dangerous din siya. Slippery lahat. Nag-stay lang kami sa accommodation after breakfast and now we're here, nagkape, and still the weather is not that good. Mas malamig din today compared sa any other day. Nakakalungkot kasi bukas na yung flight natin. Ay, bus pala. Bus pala tayo bukas. Pamassage na yung mga tita nyo. Thank you. No, that's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Init sa doon. I think it's too hot for me dahil. Ang init pala. Akala ko kaya pa. Okay, init ka rin. It is.
Mga balay.
Guys, feeling relaxed again. Huy na ako chika ni mo later na si ate. Grabe yun si ate. Gikuhaan ko niya og white hands. Tibong ko may puminch na sa aking forehead. Ay, kinuha yung white hands ko.
Đây anh sang bên kia anh lấy giúp em. Cái này anh không chấm được đâu. Bên trên bàn có bát lửa.
Mas ko iko aglak. Wait.
Shocking man yun na ano na massage. So, bigla na lang may puminch dito. Sabi ko, hala, kinuha ko ng ano, tapos hair. I think white hair or dead hair. Like mga 5 siguro. Promise. Pero okay lang naman. Pero na-shock lang ako na, may masahe pala na may additional service. Nagmamassage siya sa ulo ko initially, tapos dito sa forehead. Bigla na lang, nag-pinch man siya dito at saka dito. Ikuhaan ko. May pula. Kasi ikuhaan ko kasense ko. Kaya ina naman yung feeling. Tapos yung buho ko nga, feeling ko either white hair or...
Kung yan, ayaw na nila ang buho ko. Wala na ako nagagalahan.
May nakibot.
Ano?
I don't know, basta yun. Pero relaxing. Walang stretching. Na tinawanan ko talaga ng last time dun sa Taiwan. Thank you. Barbecue na naman kami ni Michelle. Actually, masarap talaga yung barbecue nila, especially yung pork. No?
Tingala na lang.
Yeah. Guys, nasa accommodation na tayo. Nagpalaba pala kami. Dito na yung pinalaban namin. Alam nyo ba, 300 Vietnam dong. Yung nabayaran namin. But anyway, tomorrow, ha? Oh yeah. 300,000 Vietnam dong yung nabayaran namin. And tomorrow, check out na nga tayo, guys. Mag-check out tayo dito very early, mga 6:30. So we have to pack now. May nabili pala tayo doon. Pakita sa inyo. Yeah, same as mine. We bought this one! Yeah, ayan, pang work guys. Especially if magna-night shift tayo. Kasi walking kami ni Michelle sa aming next placement. Kasi it's walking distance lang sa hospital yung aming accommodation. So, okay na meron akong ganito. Ang cute ng color. Tapos may hoodie pa. Tapos detachable pa yung hoodie niya. So, I love it. Pero yun nga, I really love the color.